mild Rotel. We'll pour that in a bowl. And we're going to take a can of cream of mushroom soup. Get all that out of there. Don't leave any mushrooms in there. Okay, then we're going to take a can of cream of chicken. Got a little can scraper here. Now we're going to just kind of combine these three together.
Looks good. What's this recipe called?
This is Rotel King Ranch Chicken.
Sounds good to me.
Now we're going to add in a bell pepper and an onion that we've cooked already in the butter. Just take maybe half stick of butter with a bell pepper and onion. We'll toss that in our mixture. Okay. Got those.
Smells buttery.
Yeah. Okay. That extra bell pepper and onion and butter, boy, that'll be good.
It looks good.
Okay, now we're gonna take 2 cups of chicken. We have got this chicken here and we have drained it. So we don't need that extra juice in there. 1 cup, same stuff, we've drained it. Next 2 cups of chicken. It's all combined. If you want your chicken smaller, if you use a can, if you smash it a little bit, it'll break up. Yeah. Okay, now we are going to take corn tortillas in a 9x13 pan. We're going to make a bottom layer. I have to
tear them up a little bit, maybe.
That, or you could overlap.
Oh yeah.
Like that.
Especially for the bottom layer, huh?
Yeah. Okay.
Looks pretty good.
You can just pull these other ones to the side a little bit, where everything is covered. Okay, all that is covered. Now you're going to take your mixture here. We're going to put a little bit. Thought this might be the easiest way. That way then you can spread it out.
Yeah, that makes sense. So you're doing about half the mixture there?
Yes. And I'm going to just take the back of my spoon, kind of spread it out. Everybody gets a little bit on here. Okay, now you're going to follow that with some sharp cheddar cheese. We're just going to sprinkle that on this layer.
Was that about half the bag?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, now you alternate now. Bring some more corn tortillas. Put it on top.
Yeah. I think this is going to be a good one, Kim.
Now you're just going to put the rest of your mixture out. Plop, plop, fizz, fizz.
That looks so good.
I'd say when this cooks, it will be. Now you're going to put some more cheese on there. Slap it. I'm just on my hand so I can get around the sides better.
Oh, yeah.
Now we're going to bake this at 350 for about 30 minutes.
All right. 350 for 30 minutes.
And you'll have a delicious lunch.
All righty. Ooh, that looks good. Oh, Kim, you're doing good on this one.
King
As
Ranch
always.
Chicken Casserole.
I cannot wait to sink my teeth in this. All right, let's give this a try. Chicken casserole. That looks good. That's pretty good.
So you're gonna take 1 can of cream of mushroom soup in a saucepan. Then you're going to take sour cream, 1 cup of it. This is 16 ounces, so we only need half of this.
Okay. Why is it called a Bruce Lee broccoli casserole?
Because it kicks butt.
Makes sense to me.
So you've got your sour cream and your cream of mushroom soup in the saucepan. Kind of mix that up, and we're gonna add in a cup of cheddar cheese. Sharp cheddar cheese.
So half that bag.
Yes, half this bag. And we're gonna make this, let the cheese melt, so that will be our topping for our broccoli. And we're gonna kind of move this to the side. We're gonna get a 9 by 13 and put 2 bags of the broccoli in there. My hand's moving on me. Okay. I'll take my spoon, just kind of push them into an even layer, like that. And you're gonna take this and pour it over your broccoli.
You're doing great.
Kim, so how you
Not now, Charles.
Okay. You got it all out there, and see when the broccoli's cooking, the moisture that's in it's gonna come out as well.
Oh, yeah.
So now you've got 1 cup of cheddar cheese left. You're gonna top it. Top your broccoli with it.
Yum.
And then we're going to add on top some of the crispy fried onions.
I love those things. And they're on top.
And you're gonna bake it for 25 minutes at 350. And then you have like your Bruce Lee broccoli casserole.
I'm
It
dedicating.
kicks butt.
Oh, yeah. I'm dedicating this one to my dad and my Uncle Rumsey because they were big Bruce Lee fans when they were growing up.
Okay, we set our timer for 25 minutes.
All right. Looking good.
Our Bruce Lee broccoli casserole.
Mm-mm.
We'll let this cool and then we'll try it.
Ooh, can't wait.
Okay?
Mm.
I hope this don't make you act like Bruce Lee here in a minute.
Can't promise you anything.
gonna be jump kicking people?
Ooh, like that cream.
Okay, Charles, get ready. He's gonna kick you. No.
Okay.
All right. Get a little broccoli, get a little French onion, a little cheese.
Really good.
This is really good. Like, y'all need to try this for real.
Try that, folks.
We're gonna make some French toasted ham and cheese. We've got a loaf of Italian bread. We've got some chopped ham and some ultra thin cheddar cheese.
Awesome.
We're going to make us some sandwiches first. You're gonna take out your Italian bread, and we are going to put a slice of ham on there and a slice of cheese. We did do the ultra thin cheese, so it will melt real good. So there's one of our sandwiches. We're gonna make, I believe, 4 of these.
We have that part on the top.
Yes, okay, now we've got our 4 sandwiches. Now we are going to make up our mixture. We're gonna take 1/4 cup of whole milk, a half a stick of melted butter, and 2 eggs. Okay, then we're gonna take our whisk, Get this whisked up together before we pour in one of the key ingredients. We think. Okay, once you got your eggs, milk, and butter all mixed up, you're going to take some maple syrup, and about a third of this bottle we're gonna add.
Ooh-wee.
Oh,
Wow.
Lord. This is, we're gonna act like that.
I've never seen this before. Like
I haven't either.
Putting the syrup in the actual mixture.
I haven't
That is
either.
interesting.
But we're gonna let you know. Oh, goodness. I'm surprised they didn't say put oh, we probably need no vanilla with that maple syrup.
Oh yeah, it's looking pretty good.
Okay, so now when you got that mixed up there, boom, you're gonna take your sandwich. You're going to dip it in this mixture. Have your pan greased and ready, because you're not gonna want to be playing around with all this syrup. And I'm just using kind of a fork to help hold my sandwich together. That wasn't as bad as I thought it'd be.
No, you did it like a pro.
That just gets the bottom to soak it in. And then I'm just flipping it. Let the excess kind of drain off. Voila. We're gonna bake this at 350 for, I think maybe 15 minutes, 15, 20 minutes.
Yep, I think it's about 15 minutes in there.
You have some extra, but I don't think I'd go pour it over it.
Yeah, you don't want to do too much.
No, I think
we can make a couple more after we're done with these.
Yes, let's try that. I mean, we're gonna take this and bake this for 15 minutes at 350.
Excuse me, Lemon. Ooh, don't hurt yourself.
No. See how our
Ooh,
ham and cheese French toast.
they look nice golden
Might have to
brown.
let them cool just a minute.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we'll let them cool for a minute. I gotta try these babies. All right, let's try this. Moment of truth. Oh dang, it's crispy.
It is crispy.
That's what we like. Smells good.
It should smell like maple syrup.
Ooh. Is it buttery?
That's actually really good.
Spinach cornbread. We're gonna take 1 box of the Jiffy corn muffin mix. Put it in your mixing bowl. Then we're gonna take 4 eggs.
Those eggs look a little different than store-bought.
They're fresh eggs. Isn't it amazing how dark they are? Now we're going to take a bag of spinach that we have thawed and drained, got all the moisture out of it, and throw it in there. Go ahead and mix this up, and we'll add the rest of our ingredients. Okay, now we're going to take some diced onions. This is a diced yellow onion. We're only gonna need a medium, so we're gonna need about half of this. Ooh, you smell
Ooh,
them?
Yeah, them smelling strong.
Then we've got some cottage cheese, the small curd. We need a cup of it, so we only need half of this.
Okay, so half of that.
Put half of this in here. You eat cottage cheese?
Yeah, sometimes. I like it with fruit sometimes. Do you?
No, I don't eat cottage cheese.
Yeah, I had a feeling.
You had a feeling I didn't eat it. No. I love cheese, but not cottage cheese.
Not into the curd.
No, not into buttermilk, stuff like that. Got that all mixed up. You're going to put in a stick of melted butter.
So a whole stick. All right.
And then a pinch of salt. Okay. And we have already greased our skillet with shortening. It's good and mixed up. So now to put in our skillet. Get the rest Level it out. We're gonna bake this at 350 for 45 minutes.
Alrighty.
Ooh, I have to say that looks pretty good.
It does look good.
Okay. I
Yeah.
think we could flip it on here.
Think so?
Yeah.
All right, let's give it a flip.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yay!
Oh,
Look at
nice.
that.
That was a clean flip right there.
That's why you grease it real
That's
good
what,
with all
yeah, I
that
guess.
shortening.
Yeah, the shortening that really came in handy. All right, we'll let it cool for just a minute. Come back. All right, let's give this a try. Good. I'm just cut out a slither here. So this came from our friend Kimberly, who's a
look
friend
at
of the
that.
page. Thanks so much for sharing your recipe. Let's give it a try. Looks pretty good, huh?
It smells good.
I like some hot sauce.
Oh, there's some in the refrigerator there. You've definitely got to like spinach.
I do like spinach. I really good. Thank you, Kimberly. That was really good.